Imagine typing just one sentence and instantly turning into a clean, beautiful coloring page, or uploading any photo and converting it into sketch art in seconds. Today, I'll show you one of the most powerful 100% free AI tools for creators, kids, artists, and content makers. This is Colorify AI. This tool lets you create coloring pages from text, turn photos into clean sketch art, color online directly inside the browser, and even auto-color your drawings using AI. Let me show you step by step. First, just hit the description and you are on the Colorify AI website. You'll see a clean homepage with examples of AI-generated coloring pages. Now click on Get Started for free. By default, it opens the Text to Coloring Page tool. On the left side, you'll see the prompt box, below that, styles, then image size, and a simple background toggle. Now in the prompt box, type something like a cute baby dragon sitting under a tree. Next, choose a style. I'll select anime style, then choose the image size. I'll pick 1:1 square. Turn simple background on or off depending on how much background detail you want. Now click the big generate button. In just a few seconds, boom, a clean black and white coloring page appears. Below the image, you can download as PNG or download as PDF. You can also click auto color or manual color. There's also an Inspire Me button. If you click it, Colorify AI gives you random creative prompt ideas. Now go back to the top menu. Click on AI Generators, then select Photo to Coloring Page. This time you upload a real image. Click Upload Image and select any photo from your PC. After uploading, choose Full Line Art, Simplified Art, No Background, or Old Version. I'll select Full Line Art. Now click Generate. Within seconds, your real photo is converted into a clean coloring page. You can slide the before-after bar to compare the original and the sketch. And again, you can download, auto-color, or manually color. Next feature is my favorite. Go to the top menu, click Online Coloring. Now click Add Color Now. You can either upload your own line art or pick from their free library. Let's select a character from the library. Now you'll see powerful coloring tools on the left: color palette, bucket fill tool, brush tool, eraser, redo and undo, delete, download. There's also detect boundaries. This keeps colors inside the lines. I'll use bucket fill to quickly fill colors, then switch to brush tool for details. In seconds, you can fully color your art directly inside the browser. Now go back to the top menu, click Free AI Tools. Choose Sketch to Image AI. Here, upload any sketch image. Select a style like oil painting, colored pencil, watercolor. Now click Generate. And within moments, your black and white sketch becomes a fully colored artwork. It literally looks like a real artist painted it. So yeah, this tool is insanely powerful. You can turn text into coloring pages, convert photos into sketches, color online, and auto-generate artwork using AI. Just visit Colorify AI from the link in the description and start creating for free. And for Nano Banan Pro, watch the video on the left. For Humanizer, your AI text, check out the one on the right, and I'll see you in the next one.